I am looking for a data engineering role. I've done most, if not all, aspects of data engineering at previous companies. Data engineering tasks that I'm experienced in include data pipeline development, extracting, transferring, and transforming and loading data. This was most of my job at SCORE. I was usually responsible for building Python pipelines to contact APIs that would then roll that data into our database for our customers as part of the product. This was managing integrations, which is the second bullet point, which you often find in data engineering roles. I used Python primarily as my tool to do this web scraping. Another aspect of data engineering that I'm very experienced in is reliability through automated testing. I was spearheading the automation of automated testing at SCORE. I built a Grafana dashboard on a Linux server from scratch to manage logs, and I went through it daily to clean up bugs as they appeared. I worked with my team to ensure data accuracy as part of code review, as just part of the process and what you do, as any professional does. I automatically optimize for scale. I'm very strongly of the opinion that unless if you are doing something that is like a one shot, I'm going to spin up this Jupyter notebook one time, analyze my data, I just need it once, then throw it away. If you're not doing something like that, I automatically optimize for scale. And I'm very strongly of the belief that if I'm doing something that is supposed to last more than a single day, you're generally doing it wrong if you're not using a system that will automatically be scalable. So this is why I generally prefer using PostgreSQL or some other SQL variant, sometimes InfluxDB if I really just need a time series, but any system and always using it on a Linux server, and I do this because that makes it scalable. An essential part in any job is to collaborate and innovate. I'm always using the product as I'm building it, and I frequently directly message members of my team when I observe any issue in order to quickly push out fixes to ensure that the product I am working on is the best in the market. If I am not doing that, I am not doing my job. The next step is and also I develop and maintain automation scripts using Bash and Python to automate tasks. This is the 21st century. No one has time to do things manually. And if I need something to be run every day, I default to using a Bash script or a Python script on a cron job because that is scalable, transferable, and something other people after me can use. I like to make things as clear as possible and as reliable as possible. That is my philosophy in how I work and how I get my job done. I feel like that I am an extremely qualified candidate for a full-time data engineer position, and I'm ready to take on that step of my career of a job that will be doing a lot of the same roles I've already been doing, but get me the job title that will allow me to move forward in my career. I'm hoping to start my next position as soon as possible, and I feel that with 5 years of experience actively doing these sorts of jobs already, that I am absolutely prepared to take on this responsibility, and I hope to do it as soon as possible. That is my job hunt today, and that is what I am looking for. Thank you.